Hi guys, welcome again to Saramonic. We are here to find some equipment sa pagbablog. Meron sila mga ditong iba't ibang klase ng equipment for vlogging. Especially, nakafocus tayo ngayon sa microphone. Meron sila mga Type-C, Type-A, and kung ano-ano pa. And yung mga sinaunang phone, meron din silang pang-convert niyan. And of course, meron silang ginagamit dito ng mga mic for live YouTube or Facebook. We have here, of course, yung mga gimbal nila. And meron din silang mga, ilaw for filming. Itong Saramonic ay matatagpuan sa 5th floor ng MBK. So, if you're looking for something na good yung quality ng mic, try nyo dito sa Saramonic MBK. Yun lang. Thank you.
Nag-avail na tayo ng isa as of course gamit na rin natin para mabigyan natin ng magandang quality ng sound yung ating mga viewers. Kailangan natin mag-invest. Nagkakahalaga siya ng 3,100 baht. Siguro sa peso nasa secret. Pwede na yan. So i-unbox na ni ate. This is the charge.
This for charging mobile. Turn on.
This one, no need to.
No need battery, but you just say.
Okay.
Guys, connect. And then you can put this.
The mic.
For win. One. Take off.
Okay. So do I need to charge this one for the cell phone?
For phone, yes.
For your phone.
And then for
Okay.
charge.
So this is having warranty for.
Warranty second fuel cost.
Okay.
Register for serial number.
So yun nga guys. Nag-avail na tayo para naman mabigyan natin ng magandang sound ating mga viewers and ating mga followers. Okay, that's it. Thank you.